Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, click the smash and subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. If you have been doing the research to know if Cash App is available in UK, I'm gonna guide you through in this short video and explain to you how you can actually send out, or if possible, Cash App is available in UK. And Cash App is a customer platform where users can actually send and receive money through Cash App. And it's also stated on Cash App that it is one of the best way to send money from one user to another, and there is no charges fee whatsoever between the two parties. And I'm going to also show you some helps that Cash App was able to provide to users when they try to search if users can actually send money from US to UK through Cash App, and the user from UK can actually send money to US users as well. And this is the page which I was able to find when sending money internationally on Cash App. So, and this is the app that they provided. You can now send or request Cash App payment with friends located in the US. When you send payment outside the UK, Cash App will convert the payment from pounds to USD based on the made market exchange rate at the time the payment is created, and your recipient will receive the fund in USD. There is no fee to send or request payment with friends in the US, which this means that users can actually send money within these two countries, United States and United Kingdom. So it's quite easy for users to send money within the two countries. And with this, the Cash App itself will convert the fund currency to another country. If you are sending out from US to UK, so the fund will be converted to pounds, which the current what UK spent. And if you are sending from UK to US, the fund will be converted from pounds to USD. So it's quite easy for users to send money from US to UK and from UK to US. So, and this also tells us that you can actually send money out from UK, and definitely UK is supported with Cash App, as it's also one of the top countries that Cash App is already support. I also do some research to know if there is other country that Cash App is supported in, but of course I was unable to find other countries which Cash App is supported other than UK, which is one of the top categories where they are very close, and there are a lot of people or American which they visit the country. So I hope this video helped you, and if you also find it so difficult, let me know through the comment section. I'll be very much happy to reply to your comment, or also check the description of this video and see direct link so you can have access to this particular page. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.